Kabila, please.
Hey, paalala. Huwag ibubo ka. Lagi nandito. Okay, Chupi!
Kamay, ha?
Hey, anak, out. Ready, go.
1, 2, and 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Tuwid niyo po yan. 1, 2. Yes, tuwid niyo po yung... Okay? 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2.
Chicken.
Isa. Sa likod. Yung
Just let them kick. Change. Nakalima na? Oh, change. Kabila naman. Ready, Chupi! Change foot. Do your best. Kaliwa. Ready, and go. 1, 2, and 1. Kamay sa dibdib.
1, 2, and 1, 2.
Kamay sa dibdib. Huwag ibukasin ko.
1, 2.
2 more.
1, 2, and 1.
Best shot.
1, 2, and 1.
Last.
1, 2, and 1, 2.
Good. Forward.
Go na.
Change foot.
Tuwid na, ganito.
Ready. Now, here's the secret.
Yan.
First time? Hey, you make it first time. Okay, ready. Like this, okay? Listen. The target will be like this. Oh. Lagyan nyo ngayon ng pitik. Okay? Pitik. Will be like this. Okay? Pareho lang ang process. 1, 2. 1, 2. Puwersa. Ang tawag dyan ay Chalut! Huli! Show. Relax. Ang tawag po doon ay 3 inches rule. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan sumuntok ng ganito para gumawa ng malakas na impact. Okay? 3 inches rule would be enough to knock down one person. 1, 2, 3. This one? 1, 2, 3. Yes? Okay? That's a 3 inches rule. Okay? This one would be enough. This far would be enough to knock him down. This is a 3 inches. 1, 2, 3. And, okay? You don't have to, hindi marunong yun. Okay? That's why you always have to keep your hands up like this. Okay? You understand? Okay? And then, ganito lang. Ang target will be like this. Okay? And 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Get it? Turn it! Huli! Back! Chupi! Ready? Count mo lang. Ready, go!
1, 2,
Good.
1, 2.
Huwag ka ganito ba?
Tukog.
Paro. That's ito yung tukso, ha? Ito yung tukso. Pag nilagyan nyo ng puwersa, binababa nyo kaagad. No. Stay the discipline. Okay? 1. Simple. Okay? Kasi ang tukso, bababa na agad. Okay? No. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay? Let's do it step by step. Ang ginagawa ko sa inyo ngayon ay isinusulat ko sa inyong mga muscle ang galaw na kakailanganin nyo on the floor. Okay? Ang tawag po dyan, muscle memory. Magpupusa na po yan. Okay? Susunod na yan. Okay? Magre-reflex na kayo pag naharap kayo.